How to do text reveal effect with vertical line. To begin, I added a video and a text to my timeline, and I want to reveal this text with a line. Make sure no layer is selected in your timeline, then select the pen tool and create a vertical line just before the text. Now with selection tool, adjust the length of the line to the text. Then go to Effect Controls panel and expand the shape. Uncheck the fill and check the stroke and set the width to around 25 and uncheck the uniform scale. Now move the playhead at the start and set vertical scale to 0 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set vertical scale to 100 to create the second keyframe. Move the second keyframe closer to the first one to increase the speed of animation. Our line will show from the top, but I want it to be from the center. So, click on the anchor point, then in the preview drag this small blue circle to the center of the line. Now to smoothen the transition, select keyframes and right-click on one of them, and select Ease In. Now select the text and in Effect Controls, move the playhead to where line animation finishes. Under Text Properties, decrease the position first value until the end of text touches the line, and click on the position stopwatch to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase position first value so the text will be after the line. Move the second keyframe closer to the first one to increase the speed of animation. To smoothen the transition, select keyframes and right-click on one of them, and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. To hide the text when it is to the left of the line, go to Effects and search for Crop and drag it into your text. Now increase the left value of the crop effect until you can't see the text. And now we have this nice text reveal with a vertical line transition. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.